Welcome, everybody. We are so excited today to present something that's coming this quarter. And we've been waiting a long time for this FDA approval that you're going to hear a little bit about today um, for a Renew Spa that's coming into the United States. It was released in Canada this week as the Well Spa. It's also been released in a couple other countries, and they are having phenomenal results. So we just can't wait to talk a little bit about it today. We got a great speaker with us, Donna Bao-Chao. She's the president of the Aesthetics and Wellness Alliance. She's been working in the industry of wellness, health, and beauty for over 25 years. Actually, Donna is really well known in our company for promoting and putting out several of our devices, which is now called the Facial Spa. It was called the Galvanic Spa for years, and Donna had a great success with that and the biophotonic scanner. So she's kind of like a device pioneer, and really puts herself into the study and science behind the products and what they can do for an inside-outside approach to wellness, health, and beauty. So I'm so excited, Donna. We're looking forward to this presentation. If you could just kick it off and let's go, girl.
All righty. Thank you so much for taking the time today to share in something I'm extremely passionate about. Microcurrent is something that has so many therapeutic and cosmetic benefits to it, and I have seen the results, and I have dealt with a lot of different physicians and different aesthetics and cosmetology schools and utilizing the technology in so many different ways. And I'm excited about this new Renew Spa and what it's going to be able to do, because I already know what our current technology can do. And I want to first start off by saying that I'm not here to give advice, treat, cure, or mitigate. This is really strictly educational. And anything that we kind of discuss, you can Google yourself, studies that are already out there in the market today. So let's first start off wanting to give you a picture, and okay, there we go. Hold on, let me go back. There we go. It was working, now it slowed down on me. I want to first kind of give you a picture, a little bit about what is microcurrent, because when you understand microcurrent, and then we get a little bit into the technology that's already been out, and then lymphatic system and what our new Renew Spa is going to do, you are going to see the power we are going to have in our hands. This is going to be the world's first integrated wellness and beauty device. There is nothing like it on the market that's non-invasive, that sets to your skin itself, and that we can use for both beauty and wellness. And it's a handheld device, which is huge in the market today. So some of the benefits from the cosmetic side of things from microcurrent are tissue resistivity, how it becomes more receptive to the microcurrent and works with the body's natural healing energy, your increase in circulation, how it increases connective tissue, elastin, and collagen. There are studies out there that show that after a treatment, there's a 14% collagen production, 48% elastin, and 39% in blood circulation. And you're going to see that in some of the before and afters that I'll show you. The most important thing that I really want you to hold on to is that it increases ATP by 500%. Now, what is ATP? It is the current of life. That is what actually stimulates that cell turnover for repair, for damage when you're injured. It's not only for, cosmetic, filling in the wrinkles and lifting the sagging muscles, the damage from our skin, but it's the damage in our body when we're injured. And by the time we're 60, that cuts down into half. So imagine when we're 60 years old and we get injured and we don't have that cell turnover like we did when we were younger. But if we can increase that stimulation by 500%, we are going to see repair. Now, we're only working on the cosmetic level of things, but by doing that, we're allowing the body to heal naturally. And you'll see that in the before and afters as we move forward. It also increases muscle re-education. The complementary alternative benefits of microcurrent, more on the therapeutic side of things, is it helps to increase cellular metabolism. It relaxes sensory nerves and joint muscles and tendons, stimulation of circulation, restores muscle tone, reduces acute pain, increases range of motion, improves soft tissue, and enhances healing. If you Google microcurrent in any of these things, you're going to see all the studies on the market already. So microcurrent has been used over 200 years ago in early application back in the 1900s for bone healing, for needleless acupuncture, and for Bell's palsy and stroke. That is where I started studying galvanic and microcurrent. Galvanic is a form of microcurrent. And this picture here is actually a patient of the doctor of mine that I trained in the use of microcurrent. Again, we only used it cosmetically on the right side of the face, bringing back that muscle memory, increasing that ATP. But by doing that, if you can see by the third week, after 3 treatments a week, she's back to normal. Now, if you ask any doctor what they can do for Bell's palsy, they're going to tell you there's really nothing you can do. There's just time, maybe some massage, and, basically maybe some medication for any kind of pain. But it's a stroke. But by bringing back that muscle memory, by increasing that ATP, you would never know she had it. Now, here's another picture. Again, this is only on the cosmetic level of things. I did some thermography before and after. Now, if you look at this side, you can see this white right here. This is severe inflammation of TMJ, and the big oranges and the reds, that's severe inflammation. I work the right side of the face, just cosmetically, lifting the skin, bringing back that muscle memory, increasing that circulation, and you can see how it dissipated the whole face with inflammation. Now, that is so huge when we're working only at the skin level right now with the current technology that we have. Here's another picture using the body spa. We used to have a body spa, and I only worked down here at the neck level and the shoulder level, and you can see it dissipated the whole face, because look over here with all that dark oranges and the reds and the whites. We're only working the one side there on the skin level cosmetically. We allow the body to do what it's supposed to do naturally. And the reason I'm showing you this is because we're going to be working not only at the skin level, but we're going to be working at the lymphatic level and below the skin level with the new Renew Spa. Here is a 15-minute treatment cosmetically. Just on the right side of the face, you can see the differences. Here's another one. 5 years of treatment from 65 to 70, it looks like it's her sister, but it's her. And it's because we can actually reverse the damage in our skin by giving the body what it needs to repair. Here's the body spa and some of the results that we were able to do just at the skin level. You can see the difference in cellulite, in the stomach. And that, again, is just using the body spa that we used to have at the skin level. Here is also vein treatments with our little our little facial spa. Back when we were able to use the galvanic, we were able to make the difference without surgery. Now using it, doctors are using this with surgery, pre and post, because they help enhance the benefits, prepare the skin before and enhance the benefits, and continue the healing process and contouring the skin after. Now, let's get into the Renew Spa. Remember the 3 R's: restore, revitalize, recover. The lymphatic system has three important functions. It is there to remove toxins from the body. It's to move fluid, transport of immune cells from the blood and the tissue. And if someone is losing weight, it helps to remove the fat tissue. This is a really important picture because lymphatic plays a key role in so many areas of our body systems. And you can see the different percentages. The respiratory and the digestive, the circulatory, and even the reproductive system are huge in the lymphatic. And then you can see the skin is the blue area right here. Okay. So how does the lymph move? While our circulatory system has a pump in the heart, the lymphatic system relies on muscle contraction and movement. So think about it when we're sitting in a plane and we're not moving. We get up, we're stiff, we have pain, we have cramps. That's because there's no lymphatic flow. So we need movement and exercise in order for the lymphatic system to work. The lymphatic system works in two different ways. From the facial area down to the clavicle, it comes this way and then down. And then when we're working the leg area and the stomach, everything goes up towards the heart. So when we're working the strokes from the lymphatic system, we need to work in the direction of the lymphatic flow. The new device is meant to target the lymphatic system. Now, just like our muscles decrease and everything in our bodies decrease with age, so does the lymphatic system. Everything slows down. So we need activity and more increased activity to speed that back up again. Think about our modern lifestyle. Again, sitting at a computer, cars, planes, trains, watching TV all day. We're not activating our lymphatic system. So this wellness spa, this new Renew spa, okay, in wellness technology, it's got a unique footprint to it. These little nodes right here are footprints that actually will line up with the lymphatic system when we bring it to the skin. And it's meant to be very comfortable. Now, one thing about microcurrent that you may not know, and I know because I'm in the industry, is most of these, I don't know if you've ever seen a microcurrent, they're these huge boxes with lots of wires and probes. Well, somebody has to sit there and turn a dial. And they've got to account for everything in your skin and your body, the humidity and the climate and how and your skin and how it's going to adapt to the current. And they can't pull the probe away from your skin or they could burn you because that's how fast that current could change. So there's a lot involved in adjusting that current to your skin. Well, this new technology takes the thought out of that. It sets to your skin using that IO technology. It is going to take into control your unique fingerprint. It's going to take into control of the climate, the humidity, the hydration in your skin, your BMI, the muscle, the skin. I mean, that is so key. That is probably one of the things that just blew my mind, because if I can tell a professional, you don't have to be tied to those wires and those probes. And this is going to do the thinking for you. Now, again, our bodies are not straight, okay? There's grooves, the muscles. When we're working with the new Renew Spa, we need to work in the muscle, but in the direction of the lymphatic flow. And so these are the things that we need to, we're going to have an app that's going to show us how we should be using it and if we're using it correctly. That is another big deal about this new Renew Spa, that it is going to help make sure that we are using it correctly for what we need to achieve. Again, the 3 R's, okay? Now, the other thing is the previous technologies I said were working only at the skin level. The new Renew Spa is working at the skin and below the skin level. Now, I'm going to read this because I don't have it memorized, but let's see here. Skin cells and non-skin cells below the skin surface affected by the Renew Spa. It helps the genes relating to wellness and skin health activate, and it has unforeseen benefits where it releases nitric oxide in the blood vessels, which help to keep them open and increase blood microcirculation. That is huge. So again, the 3 R's. So now, again, the app is going to tell us how to use it. It's going to how we set it and the solution that we use. Now, the solution is not a product. Very key. The solution is a treatment. If you do not use the solution in relationship to your spa, you're not going to get the desired results. They work together. Okay, so the ageLOC body activating gel for the restore function is going to help improve circulation, support the body's natural processes to remove toxins, help depuff the skin, massage and relieve sore muscles after a workout, and give you that well-being and feeling of relaxation. Okay. For the revitalize function, it's going to be using the body serum, the treatment, with the spa to minimize the appearance of cellulite, firm, lift, and smooth, help improve the look and condition of the skin, and target the sources of aging through the ageLOC technology to reduce the appearance of aging. And then we have the recover phase, which is also using the body gel for pre-workout massage, for muscles to feel invigorated, relaxation and stimulate sore muscles, help the body to recover, relax, and for the reduction of lactic acid. These are going to be some of the results that we're going to see. Again, just really quickly, just to kind of summarize, we have the synchronized treatments, personalized treatments, and the usage tracking with our new Vera app. So this is one of the clinicals that were done after the baseline, and then after 12 weeks, you can see the difference in the appearance in the muscle and the contouring for the arm. And this was 3 times a week using the body polish with the body serum and the Renew Spa. And the reason it says Well Spa is because we actually these results were coming from the device that we have that's called the Well Spa in Canada, but we're going to have the same device, but here in the US, it will be called the Renew Spa. Here is cellulite and the appearance of the contouring after 12 weeks baseline and 12 weeks using the body serum and Dermatic Effects, as well as the body polishing peel, along with the Renew Spa. And I think that's pretty amazing. And then this one is someone that's a little bit older that has more severe damage in cellulite. And then you can see the difference again over a 12-week period. So in closing, which group do you belong to? Are you a beauty lover, a workout fanatic, a healthy guru, just some new mom that needs some time to recover and relax, someone that's younger that is looking for that work-life balance, that is all into what's new in the trending in the industry? And then one last thought I want to leave you with is, as I said, non-invasive handheld devices are the wave of the future. And the prediction for 2023, I don't have the results as of yet, were 23.8 billion being spent on these devices, at-home devices. And the prediction for 2023 is 101.5 billion. This is going to be huge for what we have in our hands. And with that, does anyone have any questions for me?
Oh, Donna, thank you so much. If you do have questions, reach out to the person that turned you on to this video, and we look forward to more information as we have coming in, and hopefully the FDA will, we've got a few more days here, and we'll be hearing when that will be released, have a release date and pricing and all of that. So thank you so much, Donna, for your time and effort to put together this for us today.
Thank you for having me, and enjoy your Saturday.